So, hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the 20 most important questions from the chapter Geography as a Discipline. These questions will be very much important for your upcoming KVS, NVS Geography PGT or TGT interview. So, let's get started with the question number 1. What is geography? So, and how does it differ from other disciplines? So geography studies the earth as the home of human beings and explains the relationship between the people and environment. It focuses on spatial patterns and regional differences, unlike other disciplines that study a single aspect. For example, the Ganga Plain and the Third Desert differ in climate, landforms, and human activities, which geography studies together. Next question, why is geography called an integrative discipline? So, geography is an integrative discipline because it combines physical and human phenomena. It explains how natural processes influence human life and how human activities modify the environment. For example, the monsoon is a physical phenomena, but it affects culture, agriculture, employment, and food production. So the next question is why is geography known as spatial science? So geography is called a spatial science because it studies the location, distribution and arrangement of features on the Earth's surface. It explains why phenomena occur in particular places. For example, coal mines are concentrated in eastern India because geological conditions are suitable there. Next question, explain the concept of areal differentiation. So, areal differentiation means that every region has unique physical and human characteristics. These differences create distinct geographical identities and landscapes. For example, Kerala has heavy rainfall and evergreen forest, whereas Rajasthan has an arid climate and desert vegetation. Next question, what is the relationship between physical geography and human geography? So physical geography studies natural features while human geography studies people and their activities. Both are closely related because human life depends on natural conditions. For example, fertile alluvial soil in Ganga Plains supports intensive agriculture and dense population. Next question, how does geography study the interaction between humans and environment? So, geography explains how humans depend on, adapt to, and modify the environment. It studies this interaction to promote balanced and sustainable development. For example, terrace farming in the Himalayas helps people cultivate steep slopes while reducing soil erosion. Next question. Question number 7. What is the significance of regional approach in geography? So, the regional approach studies a particular area as a whole by considering its physical and human characteristics together. It helps understand the uniqueness of each region. For example, the Himalayan region is studied for its mountain, climate, rivers, biodiversity, and settlements together. Next question, distinguish between systematic geography and regional geography. So, systematic geography studies one geographical theme across different regions, whereas regional geography studies all geographical aspects of one region. Both approaches complement each other. For example, studying climate worldwide is a systematic geography, while studying the Deccan Plateau is regional geography. Next question, what are the two major branches of geography and explain briefly. So the two major branches are physical geography and human geography. Physical geography deals with natural features while human geography focuses on people and their activities. For example, rivers and mountains belong to physical geography, whereas population and transport belong to human geography. Next question number 10. Why is the study of location important in geography? So location helps explain distribution, accessibility and importance of geographical features. It is the basis for understanding spatial relationships. For example, Mumbai's coastal location has helped in develop into a major port and commercial center. Next question, what is meant by spatial distribution? Explain with suitable examples. So the spatial distribution refers to arrangement of natural or human features over the earth's surface. It may be uniform, clustered or scattered. For example, population is dense in Indo-Gangetic plain but sparse in Himalayas due to differences in relief and climate. Next question, how does geography contribute to sustainable development? So geography promotes the wise use of natural resources while protecting the environment. It helps balance economic development with environmental conservation. For example, rainwater harvesting conserves water and ensures its availability for future generations. Next question, question number 13. Why are maps considered an essential tool for geographers? So maps represent geographical information accurately and help analyze location, distribution and spatial relationships. They make complex information easy to understand. For example, a rainfall map helps identify areas receiving high and low rainfall. Next question, explain the importance of fieldwork in geographical studies. So fieldwork provides first-hand information through observation, measurement and data collection. It improves the accuracy of geographical analysis. For example, a soil survey in a village helps identify suitable crops for cultivation. Next question, question number 15. How does geography help in solving contemporary environmental problems? So, geography identifies environmental issues and suggests sustainable solutions through scientific study. It supports disaster management and resource conservation. For example, flood hazard maps help authorities plan evacuation and reduce damage. Next question, question number 16. What is the importance of scale in geographical studies? So, scale determines the level of detail shown on a map or in a geographical study. It helps analyze phenomena from a local to global levels. For example, a village map shows more detail than a map of India. Next question, how does geography help in resource planning and management? So geography identifies the distribution and proper use of natural resources. It helps ensure efficient and sustainable resource management. For example, watershed management improves water availability and supports agriculture in dry regions. Next question, explain the importance of human environment relationship with suitable example. So the human environment relationship explains how people depend on nature and adapt to environmental conditions. It is essential for sustainable development. For example, people in Rajasthan wear light cotton clothes and conserve water to adapt the hot dry climate. Next question, why is geography considered both a natural science and a social science? So geography studies natural processes such as climate and landforms as well as human activities like population and settlements. Therefore, it links natural and social sciences. For example, a river is a natural feature but its water is also used for irrigation, transport and hydroelectric power which are human mm, uh, under which falls under social science. Next question, and this is the last question for today. In your opinion, why is geography an important subject in today's world? So geography helps us understand climate change, disaster, sorry, excuse me, sorry. So, in your opinion, why is geography an important subject in today's world? So, geography helps us understand climate change, disasters, resource management, and sustainable development. It enables informed decisions for a better future. For example, weather forecasting helps farmers choose the right time for sowing and harvesting crops. So, thanks for listening. Keep listening for further audio classes. Thank you.